Hello everyone, myself Avinash Gupta. I'm heading the Agra cluster. Today I'll take you through about my cluster and its variety. As you know, every place is having their own uniqueness. Let's say for example like Jaipur, it is known for kurtis, some ladies product, handcraft products. As like Agra is known for footwear manufacturing hub. Agra is, biggest manufacturing and domestic footwear supplier across India. We have a tagline in footwear market, कोई जूता जो कहीं नहीं बन सकता वो आगरा में बन सकता है. Which means any shoe which cannot be manufactured any other places, we can make in Agra. This is our tagline for Agra footwear manufacturing. Agra basically handmade product hub rather than machine made. So we are having all kind of variety related to footwear. Let's say for formal shoes, sports shoes, casual shoes, men's chappal, sandals, PU, everything we are manufacturing at Agra. At Ajio platform, we are providing now almost more than 100 brands from Agra to our retailers. 10,000 plus cataloging today we are having for you. You can choose, select, and you can buy at your own convenience. We have recently introduced from Agra itself. This is a design of Paragon also. You would have seen multiple brands also selling this kind of products. We are here providing to our retailers at price point 63 only. Rubber outer sole and EVA padding with PVC strap. Excellent quality. Some more designs are there. These are flip-flop with EVA sole. Now, recently we have started to bring down the prices for our retailer who can get more margins. So we have introduced handmade chappals at PVC sole, synthetic material upper, 160 only. We were not having such product earlier, but now we are having with multiple brands from Agra. See, this is our another bestseller product for women category, 95 rupees only. Synthetic upper, PVC sole, with having 3 different color and variety. We will start with some unique design which we have recently introduced from Agra, one of our key brand Big Fox. This is PU chappal. Outer sole is rubber, cushion, high cushion chappal with high synthetic quality. At price point of 380 only. This is highest selling brick was for us from last 1 week itself. We have sold more than 8,000 pairs in 1 week itself. I'll show you a few more of our bestseller products. Like, see, this is running shoe. This is EVA. Highly comfortable, very cushioned in socks. You can use, let's say, 10 hours a day without any problem. Abrasion of this product is excellent. Called Moza shoe, shock shoe. We basically call it shock shoe. We had introduced this product maybe let's say one and a half year back, and the started price was 376. Now we are having more than 15 brands who are supplying this kind of product, and the price has been surprisingly dropped now to 376 to 234 only. With brands like Afrojet, Ego Italy, Scarpia, they all are brands providing these kind of shock shoes at very reasonable price. We are having wide range of women's fancy wear for occasional wear, for celebration, for festivals in brand I Shoes and X-Wear. You can buy starting price point from 190 up to 350, 400. We are having also wider range of genuine leather products with the brands like TSF, Allen Cooper. They all are providing genuine leather product starting price point from 381 to 1200, 1500. Okay, so now why should buy from Ajio? Ajio is providing you wider variety range of products with more than 100 brands and cataloging of more than 10,000. I'll give you some brief and key points for your buy, for your happy buy. Chappal, men's chappals starting price point 160 rupees. Men's chappal PU 145. Sandals 170. Men's sports shoe starting price point 234. Casual 190. In ladies segment, we are having a flat chappal starting price point from 95 up to 300, 400. In ladies segment also, we are having a genuine leather product starting price point from 250. Kids wear casual shoes will be starting price point 180 to 400, 300, 500. We are also going to introduce in a very short time the sliders from Agra at price point starting 155 only. So we are Ajio providing you very wide range of product, new cataloging, all kind of demands from Agra and Kanpur. We are bringing new sellers, new brand, new styling, which can help you to buy from us. In such a pandemic, it is allowed not to go out, just stay at your home and buy from Ajio. Thank you very much.